Hey everybody, I am Mike with Accounting for Cycling, and today we are talking about this little guy right here, and then also its friends. Kind of a continuation on the unboxing that likely either came out as its own video already or is kind of, preceding this in the video. But yeah, either way. I've been testing these out for 2 months now. I've already written my initial review. I really like them. I've been using the Mic2 for 2 years now. Basically since the Pocket 3 came out, which is what I'm recording this on. And so far that's the only issue I have with the Mic Mini, is it is so small. That trying to compare it with the other things can be difficult. But yeah, it's a little tiny thing. It does not have a USB-C charger on it. It does have 2 LEDs. It's cool. It still has an onboard microphone. Does not, however, have an onboard microphone headphone output. So, yeah. But as far as what these are aimed at, is it's aimed for people who are vlogging, not blogging. Blogging, you're usually typing, but vlogging, and you're just gonna like pin this thing onto your chest, hook it up to your phone or your Pocket 3 or your Action 4, 5, 3 using the Osmo Audio Connect, and which is what I'm using right now. It's a direct connection. You don't even need to have the transmitter. So you can pick one of these things up, very reasonably priced, either from, Amazon, Best Buy, directly from DJI, and the full 2 transmitter, 1 receiver kit plus charging case, which also comes with all sorts of other goodies, does not come with the Lightning adapter. Does though come with the USB-C one, which is really all you need. If you have Lightning, that's fine, cool. I still wouldn't advise getting the Lightning adapter unless you do only and exclusively record off of your phone. I don't know, it's an extra couple of bucks, $20, so it is what it is. But if you are going to be upgrading your iPhone soon anyways, just stick it out with your existing headphone audio adapter. Otherwise, you can pick up the microphone itself for $59 and get it in either this black charcoal color or in white, and you can wear it with the little wind guard or without. Without, it's especially when it's not on a gray shirt like this, you barely even notice it's there. You have this tucked away on a lapel or up on your hat like a lot of people use it. Hold it, and it's barely even noticeable, but really cool. Weighs 10 grams, and here it's got a little magnet thing on the back, which is something that the Mic2 had as well, so that instead of always needing to use this clip here in order to be able to clip it onto your clothing, in which case it tends to dangle down, which then necessitates the clipping onto the head, the hats, all that. And great job. Sounds good.
Oh, is it scenic?
Right? Yeah, we're turning around at the red lighthouse up here. It's magic. And it stays up a little bit better, gets you better distance from speaking and a little bit of a more natural distance for vocal clarity. DJI put out basically just a kit for anything and everybody that might want or need one. If you want just microphone, $60. You want the 1 transmitter, 1 receiver, and the Lightning adapter is $108. You want a 2 transmitters, receiver, charging kit, $188 with the Lightning adapter. You don't need that. You just need a transmitter and receiver, $89. Doesn't get you the charging case, but you get it's like a little dock drop thingy, and the receiver has USB-C. also has audio in out. That way, if you are going to hook it up to mirrorless or DSLR, you can do that. And it'll just hook directly up to your standard 3.5mm audio port. So yeah, it's just a really cool setup. Gets you a lot of the functionality that the Mic 2 has. It does not have the onboard audio. It does not have the 32-bit float. But considering that it's almost $100 less and half the height and half the thickness, like you've got probably in total a quarter to maybe a third the total overall volume of the Mic 2. And then when you compare it to other popular ones like the Rode Wireless Go 2, which still also has the microphone built into it. I like to keep the wind noise fluffs on there. They're called dead cat adapters, but or cat tail adapters. But I don't know. Last time I set that up by my mom's cats, they were like, meow, and they didn't like that. So I kind of been trying not to say that. But I mean, like, this thing's been serving me well for 3 years now, almost 4 years. Ooh. But you need to have the receiver plugged in order for this to work. But once it's hooked up and working, you can get almost, I think it's like 250 or 300 feet out of it. Very nice battery life, something like 6 to 8 hours. And over those years of using it, battery life has not diminished. And I mean, I've got the Wireless Go 2, so like it has both of the transmitters. Rarely do I actually use both of them. The singular one has actually been really nice. And that's been the really awesome, like just the absolutely excellent part about having the Osmo Direct Connect built into the microphones and then also built directly into the cameras too, is it's just a real quick connection. I can hook up 2 of these directly into my Pocket 3, into my Action 5. I think the Action 4, and I believe even the Action 3 maybe. You can have those hook right up and have at least one, but maybe even with the Pocket 3 and the Action 5, you can do 2 microphones at the same time into one camera. So if you are doing an interview, even like a talking head kind of setup like this, and like somebody sitting next to me and they're using this one, we don't even need the transmitter or the receiver for the transmitters. So that's really cool and kind of minimizes the amount of equipment that you need. Lowers the cost, lower barrier of entry, more people in the creative space. So I've really enjoyed that. And then of course too, size. You just throw this thing into a pocket. Downside of that is I've actually forgotten that I've had these in my pocket. To the point of a couple of weeks ago, I went to the Central Waters anniversary party a couple of weeks ago, I went to the Central Waters Brewing anniversary party, and I had my Action 5 Pro. I had a Mic Mini. They were paired. There were actually a lot of times where I would pull this thing out of my pocket and it would just be kind of stuck to the bottom, and I would just whip it out of my pocket, take some videos, take some quick photos, and just totally forget it was there. Because it's just so little. And I didn't have the wind noise reduction on because we were inside. When I'm gone. Oh, sorry. It's great microphones, so kind of the point of it all, I definitely recommend it. It's kind of a no-brainer at this price point. You get the trust quality of DJI. They've really come out as kind of the go-to. So you want something with good, high-quality audio, but kind of plug-and-play compatibility with these newer walk-around, not point-and-shoot, but definitely vlogger-style cameras, or action cameras. But then also want something that you can hook up to your big mirrorless camera to shoot some bigger video with. you know, that's what the Mic Mini is there for. So I would definitely recommend it. So far, I really haven't found any cons to it aside from it's gotten lost in my pocket. But I hopefully will not find a case where it will get lost in a pocket or lost out of a pocket. But that's also why I went for the one with case. But also, I got these through Best Buy's Tech Insider Network program, so I didn't pay for them. DJI sent them to me through Best Buy. It's not sponsored. They didn't get a first look at any of this. This is all just my views on everything. But if you like them, or if you like the video, hit like down below. If you have further questions, feel free to ask away. I try to get to every comment I can. I do ask, you know, please be respectful. If you have any other questions, feel free, you know, shoot away. Watch my other videos too. Hit like, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're looking to pick one up, I'll have links down in the description down below with my affiliate links. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching today, and have a great day. Oh, and my favorite part about these, the action button. Bye. It hits record.